Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Moving into a whole new realm of offerings for Treasure Beach, this villa offers a complete escape with a pronounced sense of freedom. Impeccably designed, this 4-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom home is strategically perched on the cliffs of Billy's Bay so as to capture the uninterrupted view of Jamaica's rugged south coast and its backdrop of forest hills. The spacious open plan design captures a constant flow of sea breeze, bringing the outdoors within. The rooftop deck, complete with a 360-degree view, is simply the best sunset spot in all of Treasure Beach. Set on just shy of 2 acres of well-manicured gardens, the villa, furnished with vast collection of unique furnishing from all over the world, is being sold as a turnkey operation. It is located within walking distance of the friendly fishing village of Billy's Bay and nearby bars and restaurants. It also provides for easy access to attractions such as YS Falls, Black River Safari, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.85 million or Jamaican $284.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.